spray bidet. How many of you know what it's called? Bidet. Bidet. Or however you pronounce that word. Okay. So let's see right there. You put it on the toilet. See that? You put it on the toilet. And then when you use the bathroom, you pull it and then they clean your behind. Isn't that interesting? You clean your behind. I love it. I love it. This is it. This is it. With all the part. I was introduced to it during the pandemic, and I love it. And I love it. When you use it, meaning you don't need a whole lot of toilet tissue anymore, and it's clean. It just, the water come out in a jet. The water come out in a jet here to clean your behind, man. Women can use it too to clean the private part. One is for the front, one is for the back for the women. So that's something interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna install it, but I can't record every detail of it. When I finish recording, I can show you. All right. Hello, people. So I'm trying to install the bidet, the bidet sprayer they call it here, the bidet. So like I was saying in the earlier video, this is something I got accustomed to during the pandemic that I love so much. Let's see, like the picture you see here. That's it right here. So one of the steps is where you have to close the water and remove the water hose. I did that. One step is to remove the toilet. I remove the toilet seat. The toilet seat. So I remove it and I wash it properly. A lot of pee go on the toilet in the back there. A lot of pee goes there often, even on the floor and all that. So I wash it properly. So now the instructions say, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here on this instruction. So this bidet, of course, with this will go inside, and then I'll put it down, and then connect the toilet with it. So once I do it, I will let you know. Thank you. Okay, so here is the stage where I'm connecting the seat. This is a bidet right here. The bidet right here. I'm connecting it, so you put it down. Hold on. I can't. I have to hold that, or you fall. So this is the seat that I'm connecting. That's the bidet part you see, right? So I had to tie it, and I'll show you later. Okay. I tie the bidet. I tie the area now. It's solid. This is the bidet right here. So let me show you. You see this skin right here? This valve. You see the thing that come out? That's new, right? It has a hole in it. It shoots water. There are two, right? It shoots water. So when you turn it on, this is the bidet right here. So you turn it on. You see the draw picture. Oh Lord have mercy. I'm making a video about this. So that's more water. If you want more water, that's off the red. And the other, because like I said, this is good for men, the butt area. And there are two, the other one that shoot towards the female area in the front. So that's why they have two there. I'm not going to get into that. I'm not here to talk about private thing like that. So that's what it is. Like I said, this thing, there is a connection in there. When you turn it on, I'm not done yet though. I'll show you more. So this thing come out, and then it shoot water. You see the little hole? You see water, that's how I do it. There are two, one for the back and one for the front. For those who have two holes down there, I'm sorry. Oh, this is so embarrassing to me. I don't like to talk about things like that. Okay, so this is connected. Now I have to put the hoses, because we remove the original. This is the original hose that connect the water to the tank. This came with that. The bidet came with these that will mingle with this one now, and everything will be connected. When I finish, I'll let you know. Bye. Hello, people. I finished installing the bidet. I finished installing the hoses and everything. Okay. I want to show you again how it works. but it'll be a mess though. So pretty much, let me begin with this picture. So pretty much this picture right here, that's the bidet, right? It's the toilet seat is over here, just like that. This is the toilet seat on top of that. Those round thing, this is the bidet thing right here. It's on off. So everything is connected now. So with this, you turn the water on, right? You turn the water on, low or high. So you see this thing that come out, right? When you turn the water on, this thing come out automatically. When it come out, well, depending on where you want to clean, one of them clean the first hole behind. That's where poo-poo come from. The other hole, so what happened is the water shoot out like that. It shoot out. It's programmed in a way that once you sit on the toilet, so pretty much you sit on the toilet, right? You sit on the toilet, when you finish your business, not sitting out in there, and then you turn on the bidet, and then the jet thing, remember, that thing is right here, right? This thing I was just showing you, right there. That's it right there. I showed it earlier. See, two of them. See if I can show you. Two of them. Two, right? Sorry, one and two. Those are the two. As the image show right here. So when you turn on the water, it shoot the water that way. It's programmed in a way that once you see it, for most people, it will direct the water towards your butthole or towards the front for the women, the other hole for women. So I'm gonna show you how it works a little bit. But because I'm not gonna sit on it, if I sit on it, I'm not gonna do that. That would be too nasty, right? Because you have to sit down while you were sitting, you finish your business, the thing will clean your behind, right? The behind and the front for the women. So I'm gonna turn it on because everything is connected now. There's water in it. Water is not leaking, everything good, thank God. So when I turn it on, because I want to show you, for those of you who don't know, when I turn it on, the water will shoot here. It will shoot out here. So hopefully it won't come on my camera. See that? You see that? You see that? You see? You see that? You see that? You see how both of them? That's one. So what happened? You see that? This bidet is on off position, the red, right? If you turn it this way, it shoot one. If you turn it the other way, it shoot on the other side. See that? Let me see if I can show you on camera. You see that? When I turn it the other way, it shoot the other one. So both of them are programmed in a way that one will clean the back hole, and then the other will clean the front hole for the women who have the front hole. So this is it. We finished. Everything is good. I need to clean this mess now when I try to show you the water shooting out. Okay, so everything is done. This is me. The guy doing the work. So I'm done. I install it. I learned it during the pandemic when there was scarcity of toilet tissue. And I love it. I love it. Because, number one, the water clean everywhere. Because when you sit on there and then you use it, the water is shooting. So you can adjust where the water will clean all the area you feel like, there are doo-doo there. You can adjust, move a little bit, and everything become real good. Okay, so again, this was very uncomfortable. I don't like to talk about those parts, but I did it to show you something. I love it so much. So now that I saw it again, I'm happy. All right, bye-bye. Oh my goodness.